Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe to be the best towel hooks on the market, the FYY over-the-door hooks. These hooks offer a fantastic blend of durability, functionality, and design that makes them a perfect solution for organizing towels. Clothes, hats, coats, bags, and more, whether you want to tidy up your bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, or closet. Let's start with the build quality. The FYY over-the-door hooks are made from heavy-duty metal, ensuring they are not only durable but also rust-resistant. This means they'll maintain their shape and performance for a long time, even in humid environments like bathrooms. Each hook can hold up to 20 pounds, which is more than enough for towels, robes, and other household items. Size and fit are essential when it comes to over-the-door hooks, and FYY has thoughtfully designed these hooks to fit most standard doors. The hooks measure 5.12 inches in length with a groove width of 1.4 inches, and they are compatible with doors ranging from 0.7 to 1.4 inches thick. This versatility means they can be used on a wide range of doors, from bedroom doors to closet doors and even kitchen cabinets. One of the standout features of these hooks is the soft rubber coating on the surfaces that come in contact with your door. This soft rubber acts as a protective layer to prevent scratches or damage to your door's finish. Additionally, the rubber provides a non-slip grip, which helps keep the hooks firmly in place without swinging or shifting when you hang your items. This design consideration ensures both your door and your belongings stay protected. These hooks are incredibly easy to install, there's no need for tools or drilling. Simply hang them over the top edge of your door, and they're ready to use. This hassle-free setup means you can instantly create more storage space and reduce clutter without any permanent modifications to your home. The versatility of the FYY over-the-door hooks is impressive. Whether you want to hang towels in the bathroom, coats in the bedroom, bags in the closet, or even kitchen utensils, these hooks offer a practical solution to keep things organized and easily accessible. They convert your doors into convenient storage spaces, helping to free up room and reduce mess. In terms of aesthetics, these hooks come in a clean, white finish with a chrome-like appearance that blends well with most decor styles. Their sleek and minimal design means they won't stand out awkwardly, yet they provide maximum functionality. Inside the package, you receive 4 hooks, making it a great value for organizing multiple doors or rooms at once. The weight of each hook is light, around 7 ounces, making them easy to move and reposition as needed. Finally, it's worth mentioning that the product's lifecycle carbon emissions have been measured, reduced, and offset, showing that FYY has taken steps toward sustainability. To sum it up, the FYY over-the-door hooks are a heavy-duty, rust-resistant, easy-to-install, and scratch-protective option for anyone looking to maximize storage without sacrificing style or door integrity. They are suitable for a wide variety of uses around the home, making them the best towel hooks you can get today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest product insights. See you next time.